Now question number second. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting exactly one head, and second case is at least one head. Now in this question we have two parts. First is find out the total cases in case of a two coin. When we toss two coins, then we have how many cases? Suppose on the first coin it is head, on the second it is tail. Now in second case, if it is tail, then second is head. Tail and head and head. So here are total these four cases. Out of these four cases, now our first part is exactly one head. Out of these total cases, check in how many cases we have exactly one head. Here is exactly one head and here is also exactly one head. It means the cases in which we have exactly one head, they are in our favor. So we can say that these are favorable cases. So favorable cases is equal to 2. Which cases are favorable? HT and TH. Now total cases is equal to 4. And we want to find out the probability. So probability will be equal to favorable cases divided by total cases. Favorable cases divided by total cases, and favorable cases is 2 and total cases is 4. So answer is 1/2 according to this first part. Now come to the second part. In second part they are saying that at least one head. At least one head, it means minimum one head appears. More than one, it can be possible. So how many? This is at least one head, two cases, and in this case also two head appears, because in case of at least more than one head we can consider. So this third case is also in our favor. So how many favorable cases we have? Favorable cases is equal to HT, TH and HH. So these three cases are in our favor. So favorable cases is equal to 3. And how many total cases we have? Total cases is equal to 4. So probability will be equal to favorable divided by total. So favorable is 3 and total is 4. So 3/4 is the answer in this case. Now next question. In next question, a coin is tossed twice. A coin is given to us, and when we tossed twice, first tell me in this case again how many total cases we have in case of a two coin. These are the total 4 cases: HH, HT, TH and TT. These are the total 4 cases in this case. Now next is find the probability of getting two heads. Two head. In how many cases we have two head? Only in single case, that is HH. So how many cases are in our favor? Only one case. So favorable cases is equal to 1. And how many total cases we have? Total cases is equal to 4. So what will be the probability in that case? So probability is equal to 1 divided by 4. So this is the answer according to this first part. Now according to this second part, at least one head. At least one head, this part repeat. In first question I told you this part. Now next one is no head. No head, it means no any head appear in that case. So check, here is head, yes. In this case also head appears, yes. In this case also head appears. So in which case head not appear? Only in one case, that is, so favorable cases is equal to which case? Only a single case, that is TT, and this is equal to 1. So favorable cases is equal to 1 and the total cases is same. Total cases is equal to 4. So probability will be equal to favorable divided by total 1/4 is the answer in this case. Okay. Now in this type of question, when two coins are given to us, so by this method we can solve this question. Now next question is based upon die.